Today we have come to enjoy an authentic ramen in Singapore, Marutama Ramen. It's located in the Central Mall in Clarkway. This also has chains in Kallang, Bugis, downtown, and the taste is authentic in every location. It has an all chicken based ramen category and all other menu items can also be modified as needed. Once we got our ramen ball, we added fried garlic to it to enhance the taste of it. And look how beautiful the bowl of ramen looks. Now let's mix garlic with ramen soup and enjoy all of these together. The soup is very creamy, light and delicious. It has an amazing texture to it. The noodles are springy and adds a good texture as well to the ramen. The chicken is juicy, soft and delicious, which completes the dish. So to enjoy an authentic ramen in Singapore, Marutama Ramen is the place to go.